welcome. You're watching the news with me, Adbhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. Lok Sabha takes up debate on Delhi pollution crisis. Congress's Manish Tiwari calls for committee to look into the issue. Manish Tiwari said that it's important that today this house gives a message to the nation that this house, comprising the people whom they choose as their representatives, is sensitive and serious about this issue. It's not only about air pollution, our rivers are also polluted today. Congress and BSP demand high-level probe into police brutality against JNU protesters. Congress lawmaker T.N. Pratapan said the opposition stands with the students. Police has denied using force against the students who took out a march to the parliament against the hostel fee hike. Around 100 students were detained for allegedly showing aggressive defiance to the directions of the police during their protest. On the second day of the winter session of the Parliament, the Lok Sabha witnessed uproar after Congress shouted slogans demanding to know why the Special Protection Group security cover was withdrawn from Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Home Minister Amit Shah left the Lok Sabha when the sloganeering began. Congress says their security shouldn't have been downgraded as they face serious threats. A PDP MP has written to Home Minister Amit Shah asking him to release all political leaders who are under detention since the government scrapped special status to J&K under Article 370 of the Constitution and divided it into 2 union territories. The letter by People's Democratic Party MP Mir Mohammad Fayaz comes amid demands by the opposition parties to allow another former Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah to attend the House proceedings. The new dress code of the Rajya Sabha marshals received widespread criticism after it was said that it resembles that of army officials. RS Chairman Venkaiah Naidu said that the new uniform will be reviewed. Earlier, marshals wore a bankala with a turban on their heads, which was replaced by the new military-looking uniform. Asauddin Owaisi hits back at Mamata Banerjee over her minority extremism remark. Owaisi said that Mamata Banerjee is insulting all Muslims in West Bengal by accusing him. He said that if her work is extremism, then there is nothing left to say to Mamata Banerjee, as the extremism is that she let BJP enter West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee had said that there is a political party and they are taking money from the BJP. They are from Hyderabad, not from West Bengal. Former Karnataka CM H.D. Kumaraswamy took a dig at Congress for its alliance that's shaping up in Maharashtra with the Shiv Sena. He charged the Congress with abandoning its secular credentials but tying up with the Shiv Sena. He said that even the JDS could be open up to allying with the BJP if it does not get enough seats to remain in power post December 5 by polls. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.